Hi, I'm Tinny from minibulldesign. Today I'm out in the backyard doing a shakedown cruise with my new pack. It's a little heavier than I wanted it. Time I got everything squared around and got the food and the water and everything in it, it's like 18 pounds. I wanted it to be 16, but and I can take a bunch of stuff out and get it down to 16, but then the comfort factor kind of evaporates. And I've got a lot of comfort in this pack. I got a lot of really nice things. Earlier today I was playing with a parabolic ear. Not real happy with that. I've got some more stuff coming that I'm going to update it with and make it better. You can hear my neighbor over in the distance cutting his firewood. Chainsaw over there. Wind carries it quite a bit. He's quite a ways away. And before I went with the backpack, I was working with the ridge line for my tarp. Experimenting with a little bracket I made, kind of like a Dutch ware thing that you hook on and hook to the tree and then pull it up and tie it off. And I'm fairly happy with that. I'll probably play with it a little bit more, but it works pretty well. That was a weak point before. The last one I had worked, but it was the fudge factor was way too big on it. This one's much simpler. Once I get the bugs out of it, I'll do a little video on it and show you what I'm up to. So there weren't any custom orders today, so Beth put the domestic orders in the mailbox. We only had 3 or 4 orders. It was kind of a slow day. I'm also building myself a custom stove for my backpack. Right now I have a mini atomic carbon felt, but I've got an idea for a stove that I'm building right now as you watch. That I would prefer over that stove if I was going to have the ideal setup. And since I own the candy store, I guess I can have the ideal setup. This is a Bongo Original with an M2SB base. I really prefer the Bongo Original stove over most of my other stoves, just for simplicity and the degree of heat it puts out. It's not a real hot stove, but I prefer a stove that's a little cooler. I don't really prefer a really hot stove. I kind of like to take my time and boil my water nice and slow. And just generally that's the way I prefer to do it. And I think, I'm not sure, but I'm going to put a gravity cap on this, or I may put a 4 1/8 ounce nipple cap on it. I think that's everything for today. I'm Tinny from minibulldesign. Get out and hike, take a friend, enjoy the great outdoors, and more important than anything, try to have some fun today and try to have a really great day. Bye-bye.